Good morning, everybody! Welcome back to the adventure. My name is Dan, and today we have some weird weather. It was sunny, it was snowy, it's rained, now it's got some hail happening, and, well, it's kind of par for the course because my parents came to town this weekend. So of course the weather's weird. Anyways, got out for a drive with my parents yesterday. Got to show them around what makes the area so special to me. They certainly agree. But anyway you slice it, we're gonna go for a little bit more of a drive, talk about some of the cool Christmas stuff that's happened here in town, and kind of just look forward to some more adventures. And just like that, it's the following day. My parents have gone home. Christmas is just around the corner. And it's a glorious start to the weekend today. So it's been a little while since I've been out to my favorite park bench. And as it turns out, they're building something right behind it. Some sort of park amenities building. I'm guessing there's going to be washrooms and maybe a little kitchen type place. I don't know. It's kind of cool. But I mean, the lake is just beautiful this morning. Crystal clear and dead calm. The sun is just coming over the ridge. Well, it's a little bit of a chilly morning today. The weather is perfect. A little bit of cloud rolling in a little later today. But other than that, it's going to be a beautiful day. So let's hit the road. And while we're driving, I'm going to have a little chat with you guys. Because 2023 has been probably one of the best years of my life so far. I hope a lot of you can say the same thing. And for those of you who can't, I hope that there's at least some good that's come from this year. And you've got big plans moving forward into 2024. So, like I say, we're going to hit the road. We'll have a little chat about what made this year so good for me. And what I have planned for the adventures to come in the new year. Well, this year started off with me starting a new position. Same job, different location, different people, and it has been the best decision I've ever made. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to get started where I am. And I mean, the year just went by in the blink of an eye, and I'm looking forward to many, many years to come. So that's always a great way to start off a year. We got rid of the problem child that was my Cadillac. Now we have a beautiful Mercedes. Got to spend a couple of weeks overseas in Portugal, which was incredible. I cannot wait to get back over to that part of the world. Might not be Lisbon itself again, but definitely Europe. Got a chance to get out and experience some of the local Okanagan autocrossing. Didn't get down to the racetrack this year. I wanted to, but, well, life got in the way. I was still breaking in a new car. Didn't really have the funds available this year, so that'll just go on the list for next year. I was lucky enough this year to be able to spend quite a bit of time with my family. We spent a couple weeks overseas, and then a visit in the summer, and a visit just a couple weeks ago. Actually, yeah, just 2 weeks ago now. It's been wonderful. When I made the decision to move over 1,000 kilometers in another province away from my closest family, I knew it was going to be difficult to see them, but this year was great. Got a chance to spend a bunch of time with them. Looking forward to spending more time with them next year. But for the rest of the day, we're going to hop back into the car and hit the road. Well, before I carry on down the road, I just wanted to stop and say thank you so very, very much to each and every one of you who have chosen to come along on this year's adventures and have made the channel growth greater than it's ever been before. It's really inspired me to get out and put out more and better content day in and day out for you guys, as well as for myself. I mean, I wouldn't do this if I didn't enjoy getting out, filming, going for a drive, taking you along with me on these epic adventures. And on that note, we're gonna have some real fun ones coming up in the new year. I'm in the planning stages on a couple of nice long road trips. I'm planning on getting out and doing some autocross as soon as the season starts up. And all going well, the GLA is gonna head down to Area 27, and we're gonna see just how it compares to my C63, which was a whole bunch of fun down on the track right up until it wasn't. But I'm gonna wrap it up here. We're gonna carry on down the road. Cameras are gonna be rolling, but I'm gonna just shut up and say Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you once again from the bottom of my heart for coming along on all these adventures, and we will catch you next time.